Okay, we have again Ibrahim over here. Okay. Okay, can you hear me, all of you? Is there anyone? Good morning and assalamu alaikum to all of my students who are just joining us right now. I would like you all to kindly mention your names in the chat box for the attendance, and it will be very helpful for Ma'am Numi to take your attendance. So kindly mention your name in the chat box along with your section, so it will be very much easy for you. Okay, there is someone who is using the annotations. There is someone who is doing a naughty stuff over here, and he's using a bad annotations on my screen. Okay, we have a very naughty students. That's I know. I hope so that you all are fine. And if you have any query regarding the today's lecture, then what you can do, you will watch the same lecture. You can watch the same lecture. Yes. So you can watch the same lecture in your GC class as well. And I would like you all to please mute your mic, although I muted you all. But this is something that's very important, to mute your mic for the smooth learning. Okay, I know my lecture is a bit late, but I will try to cover the topic today. It is 7 or 8 minutes bit late because I was have some internet issues, but I hope so that I will try to cover the today's lecture after even 12 o'clock. So I will not take too much time. I will make sure that you understand the topic, and then I will end this meeting. So I'm going to just stop my video, and I would like you all to just have a look on the screen. But before going to start the lecture, make sure that you all must have your maths workbook 3A along with you, so you can cover the course, cover the topic with me, and when I'm solving the questions, you all can also solve the questions with me. So this is something that's very important, to make sure that you all must have your workbook along with you. So let's start our today's slide. That is topic is finding halves. Half is the word that is very easy. You already know what is the meaning of half. And task of the day is very easy, very simple. That is workbook page number 96 and 97. Yes, these are the two workbook pages that you will cover today. And page number 98 is a self-assessment task. There are two parts on it that you will do by yourself. So let's see what is the meaning of half. Yes, half of a triangle, half of a square, half of a circle, half glass of water. This is something that you already know, that what is the meaning of half. When you equally divide the things into a two equal part, it's called half. But how you can cut or divide the numbers into a half, that's the way. Yes. Now look at the definition. When we find half of a number, we divide the numbers by 2. This is something that's very easy to remember. Half means to divide. Whenever you divide the number, any given number, on the 2, you will get the half of it. For example, look at this example. 80 divided by 2, when you simply divide 80 on 2, your answer is 40. There are two methods to solve the questions. One is to simply divide, and other is to make a number bond. So let's have a look first. What is the difference between doubles and half? Basic rule to understand the difference. If you understand this rule, then both the topic doubles and halves will be a piece of cake for all of you. In doubles, we multiply the number with the 2. This is a very simple thing. When you want to find out the double of any number, you multiply. And when you want to find out the half of a number, you simply divide it on 2. In both cases, We will divide the digits on 2, but in doubles, you will multiply. In halves, you will divide. Like multiplication and division are the two opposite methods. In the same way, doubles and halves are totally opposite, that you can say. So if you want to find out the half of a 16, you will simply divide it on 2 and you will get your answer 8. So let's just have an explanation part from your book. Don't open your workbook right now because this is something that I have covered from your book page. So just look at this and understand that how to do it. 824, when you divide this number on 2, you will simply get its half, 412. And there is another method for it, how just divide or turn this number into a pieces. Like the way you are reading the number, in the same way you will turn it into a pieces. Just pronounce it with me. 824. In the same way you are pronouncing, in the same way you are making its bond. And after just turning into a bond, you simply need to find out what is a half of 800, what is a half of 20, what is a half of 4. And after getting their halves, you will simply add them and you will get your answer. Easy? So that's why I said that today's topic is easy. So let's have a look. Now, my students, open your workbook page number 96. In my previous class, 2 students were solving the questions even before me. They know the answers and they just solve it quickly even before me. So in the same way, my students, open your workbook page number 96 and solve these questions with me because they are very easy and there is no different part in it. So what you do, look at this. I'm going to change my pen into a black. You will simply write down 68 divided by 2. So you know that half means divided by 2. So you will write this part, divide and 2 by yourself. You get the number, you divide it on 2. So my students, on the corner of your workbook, you will simply divided on 2. Don't laugh on my handwriting because I am writing with the mouse. You know that. You guys know that how the teachers are difficultly writing it. So my students, do you remember the family of division? Dad's divide, mom multiply. So dad's value is 6. Start reading the 2 times table. 2 3s are 6. So you will write down 3 on the top and you will write down 6 over here. See? Easy. Sister subtract and answer is 0. Now the brother bring down another number, that is 8. Yes. And again the dad's value is 8 now. So start reading the 2 times table again. 2 4s are 8. So you will write down 4 on the top. Do it with me. 8 will down. 8 minus 8, your answer is 0. So what is your answer, student? What is the half of this? The half of 68 is 34. That's cool. So over here, again, for the part B, start doing it with me. You will write down the question and you know that half means divide. So you will divide it. Make sure you're not going to multiply it. Otherwise, you will get the double. Okay, so write down 70 over here and 2 will outside. So my students, dad's value is 70, mom's value is 2. So start reading the 2 times table. 2 3s are 6. So you will write down 6 over here. Sister subtract. 7 minus 6, 1 is left. Brother bring down another number, that is 0. So what is the dad's value now? It's 10. So students, write down 5 on the top. 2 5s are 10. So you will got your answer simply. I hope so my students are doing it with me. You can write down the answer over here. 35. 35 is our answer. Yes. Now for the part C and D, I would like you all to even solve it before the teacher. That's a very good task. Let me clear my drawing so we can do it again. Okay. Let's start the part. Part C. Okay. Part C is here. And let's start it. The question is 280. You are going to divide it on number 2. And again, in the rough column, it's easy. Yes, do it. 280. Make sure you should do this rough work with me. And your stationery and everything should be along with you. Mom's value is again 2. So 2 ones are 2. Brother bring down another number, that is 8. Sister subtract, answer is 0. And what is our answer? 2 fours are 8. So you will write down 4 on the top. My tables are good, so division is easy for me. That's why I said. Okay, now we have a very interesting situation over here. The brother bring down another number, that is 0. And now I told you that if you remember, if the dad's value is 0, if the dad's value is less than a mom's value, that is 2, 2 is less, mom's value is more. So what we do in that situation, the mom multiply itself with the 0. Two zeros are 0. So you will write down 0 on the top, 0 over here, and your question is solved. So what is the answer? The answer is 140. See, it's easy. Now for the part D, I would like you all to do the work even before me. I am also doing it for your convenience, but I would like you all to do it quickly. The question is 592. So my students, what you gonna do, start reading the 2 times table. 2 twos are 4. Sister subtract. 5 minus 4, 1 is left. Brother bring down another number, that is 9. If you read the 2 times table, you say, understand that 2 nines are 18. Okay, Ibrahim, you have raising the questions. Raise your hand, please. I will give you in the last minutes to raise your hand and to ask me the questions. Kindly, if you have any urgent query, write down in the chat box. So 9 minus 8, the answer is 1. Brother, bring down another last number, that is 2. So it will turn into a 12. So you will write down 2 6 are 12. So you will simply write down 6 on the top and 12 minus 12, 0. So what is the answer is 296 is our answer. 296 is our answer. See that how easy it is. Now the next page, that is my favorite one, and it's even more easiest one. It is even more easy. So let's start it, how we can do it. Now my students, open your workbook page number 97. Kindly, the next page, that is page number 97, and it's my favorite one because they are the most easiest one. No difficult method you need to apply, no division, long division method. Simply our number is 86. So you will divide it into a 2 parts, 86. In the same way I told you, the way you are reading the number, in the same way you will divide it into a 2 parts, 86. What is a half of 8? Simply tell me, what is a half of 8? It's 4. And 0 will come as it is, 40. See, it's easy. What is a half of 6? It's 3. Everybody knows that. You're a grade 3 student. So 40 plus 3. So our answer is 43. See, it's easy. I told you this is my favorite type of a question. And the same questions I give you for the self-assessment too. Because they are the favorite one, you can easily do it. Now let's do the last part of the day. And let me, yes, last part of the day. Let me clear my work and start again. Yes. The number is bit bigger, that is 134. So we turn it into the pieces in the same style, 134. So now my students, what is a half of 100? The half of 100 is 50. Okay. What is a half of 30? The half of 30 is 15. Okay. What is a half of 4? The half of 4 is 2. Simple. It's so simple. You just simply find out the half of the numbers in a 0 forms and now add it. Now just add it. 50 plus 15 and then 2. So now just step by step add it. 50 and 15 makes 65. And when you add 2 in it, your answer is 67. That's why I like this question, because in these questions you just simply need to find out the values of a bigger numbers, and then you can add it. Okay, now you will write down the half of 134 is 67. Okay, now I'm just going to have a look on the chat. If anyone who has a work over here, so you can do one thing, that you can ask me a question over here in the chat box. Ma'am Yumi is there, so she can solve your queries too, because she is helping me a lot. Okay, now I'm going to mention the last slide of the day. That is a self-assessment. Okay, don't make a face like this. This cat is just funny. Okay, I just want you all to do the page number 98 by yourself. It's gonna be a very easy task, because I know that my students are very much genius and they know that how to do it. So this is something that's all for today. Don't forget to do the practice of this topic at home, because I told you maths is the only subject. Do its practice on a daily basis, and this is something that's very easy for you. Okay, tell me if there is any question in the chat box. Kindly, you can just do one thing, that Ibrahim Umar has some issues, so kindly just resolve it. I hope so that the students who have some issues, because at some previously I have an issue of internet, and now students are facing it. That's all for today, and take care. I will be waiting for you on the Thursday. I will try to resolve all the net issues as well. Take care. Bye bye. I'm just going to have a last look on the chat. So please, okay, I'm just going to save the chat of my students, and then we will take your attendance too. Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Yes, I'm going to unmute you all. If you want to talk, then you can. Okay, I'm going to unmute you all. If you want to share anything, you can talk.
Hafiz.
Allah
Ma'am,
Hafiz. Okay, Allah Hafiz. I hope so that.
ma'am, ma'am, I want to tell you something.
What is
Ma'am,
it?
I'm learning to code. I'm learning to code.
What is it?
I'm learning to code.
Okay, really? That's a very interesting thing that you are doing. That's wonderful. That's wonderful
Yes.
that you're using your time in a good way. That's wonderful. Okay, take care, all of you. Bye bye. Inshallah, see you in my next lecture. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.